Well, I am officially back. Okay, school has started and I was just looking through my footage and I just realized that a lot of the footage that I have is kind of like all pieced together in little bits and everything. And I just want to first say that it has been nuts, absolutely nuts. Hold on, I have to fix something real quick. Okay, so my life obviously has been nothing but soccer, soccer, soccer. It's been insane. And you're gonna hear me say that a lot, but I want to still share some things before we get started. I want to first say I am officially back and I'm happy to be here. And just to give you a preemptive, probably the next few vlogs, I am going to be kind of diving back to the past because I did some footage, but there's a lot of times where I wasn't doing footage. And I probably will be doing some voiceovers in this vlog. And then after we've burnt through all those, we will start getting back into the normal routine. So this is my first day without my kiddos. They are officially back in school. So that means these vlogs are gonna start being a normal Monday morning posting here soon. So just to start with that, I did the Oak Harbor Music Festival, which was a huge success. I made a crazy amount of money. I did a giveaway, so I got a ton of emails by doing that, which is great because I'm gonna start doing newsletters, which isn't gonna be like a common thing. It's mostly maybe once a quarter to just let them know about any updates because social media is unreliable, to say the least. My studio is a giant mess right now because I am trying to figure out what I'm gonna do. I also got into a big night market that's coming up at the end of October, and it's actually a nighttime market, and I had to prepare with lighting and things like that. So we will see how that all goes, but we are gonna go back during summer, the heat of summer, and I'm going to show you guys some things that I did back then. But I just want to tell you guys I'm so glad to be back. I'm ready to get back into doing these vlogs, and I've got so much painting to do. I sold so much stuff over the summer during my markets and online, which is awesome. So, all right guys, I will see you in a bit.